In this video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram stories to your Facebook stories. So what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram, go to your profile, on the top right click on the hamburger menu and click on settings and privacy. In the search type in sharing and then click on sharing across profiles. Now what you need to do is you need add account, you need to add that Facebook account, click continue and follow on-screen instructions. And basically the next time you are going to post a story, you will have an option to say something like share to Facebook as well. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you for watching this video.